I have tested myself to see if I am fertile, and I am fertile when it comes to Facebook. I have tested myself when it comes to urine for a liver disease, and I was negative. I've tested myself for kidney stones, and I have no kidney stones. I tested myself for blood vessels in my urine, red blood vessels and white blood vessels. There was no blood vessels in my urine, no tract infection. I tested myself for hepatitis C. No hepatitis C. I also had a clean negative saliva test that I showed one of my friends, and I posted on Facebook. And I posted another one on Facebook when it comes to blood tests, which was negative back in 2015 when I seen my local doctor. These here, I bought these today. I got my surveillance cameras at my house, and I got all of these HIV tests. This is the worst sexual transmitted disease you can get. You still can have kids if yours is positive. You can still have kids. Just don't breastfeed your children and speak to your local doctor, because you can feed your children HIV breast milk. And you still can have your children, and be careful of your birth canal when you give birth. But today, this one here is a blood test. It's 99.99% accurate. If it comes back positive, go straight down to your local doctor for medication and to see treatment and to get treatment. It takes 8 months for this to be successful, so don't have sex for 8 months. I haven't had any sexual activities for a couple of years. Read your books and how it works. We have C and T. That means it's positive. There's a C and a T. That means it's positive. That's a very fade line. That means you just got it in the last 3 months or a couple of days. That's 100% you've been carrying it for 8 months or more. And then you got your negative test. This is your negative, which with C. Then your T. That means this is invalid test. You got your prick pen. You put your blood in there. I just pricked myself. This here, you squirt this here in the back there. This has been sitting there for a long time, and as you can see, real close up, C there, and a C there. So that is negative. T means invalid. There's only one line. So I am a negative HIV type 1, type 2. So I got